Ever wondered what makes a classic engine roar to life? It's all about the perfect mix of air and fuel. And at the heart of it all, the carburetor. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of carburetors, how they work, why they matter, and why they're still beloved by gearheads around the globe. Let's get started. A carburetor is a device that mixes air and fuel for internal combustion engines in an appropriate air-fuel ratio for combustion. It is above the engine cylinders, with an air pipe and a fuel pipe connected to it. If your carburetor is using too much fuel in the fuel-air mixture, black exhaust smoke is emitted. But if it is using in a lean manner, it can cause your engine to backfire or overheat. A failing carburetor will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short-distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code scanner. Click the link in the description below. Of course, carburetors aren't perfect. They require regular maintenance to stay in top shape. If you're dealing with carburetor problems, start by inspecting the jets and float bowl. Clean them thoroughly and check for wear and tear. Rebuilding kits are also widely available if you need to replace parts. And there you have it, the carburetor explained. Whether you're restoring a classic car, working on a small engine, or just curious about automotive history, the carburetor is a fascinating piece of engineering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into automotive tech. Thanks for watching, and keep those engines running.